Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Anani with At Home with Anani. Thank you so very much for taking your precious time to watch this video. As always, it gives me great pleasure to serve you guys by making this video. So let's get started. Well guys, I am coming to you today with my weekly grocery haul. But before I get into that video, I did want to ask, when I make my videos, do you guys like it with music or you don't? Please leave your comments down in the comment section down below. I just never know what to do, so let me know if you like the videos with music or without. Okay, so now let me get into my grocery haul. The first item I got was this garlic parmesan panko shaker. I am going to use this to bread some chicken. I got some brown rice, some white rice. Like I told you guys, I am not a big baker, but a box cake I can handle, so I'm going to try this. It is a super moist French vanilla cake mix. Okay, I got some egg noodles. I got some cereal, cornflakes. I got some golden grams, as well as I got 2 packs of beans. I've already opened this one, but I have 2 packs, as well as some dried plums. Okay, I'll put this away and then I'll be back. I got the Tuscan style herb potato casserole, something quick and easy. I got some whole wheat rotini and 2 boxes of macaroni and cheese. Okay. I got some peanut butter. I got 2 bottles. Some grape jelly. A family size of Chips Ahoy chunky cookies. 2 bottles of salsa. 1 container of oatmeal. Chunky soup. I got some chuck roast. I'm gonna make a soup today, so I like using this kind of like a starter. Some apple juice. And I've always seen this and I never tried this, so I said I'd get a pack for me to try. I got a can of white chicken, 3 small cans of tuna, and then a large can of tuna. I got 1 can of sweet peas, 3 cans of corn, 3 cans of refried beans, 2 cans of spinach, a can of collard greens, 3 cans of green beans. One's cut and the other 2 is French style. 3 cans of tomato sauce, 2 cans of fruit. I got some beef ravioli, chicken soup. Well guys, this is the end of my haul. If you enjoyed watching this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you could leave in the comment down below if you'd like the videos to have music or not. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Also, if you enjoyed watching this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Again guys, it gives me great pleasure to serve you guys by making this video. Everybody be blessed. Have an awesome day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.